If you're looking for a program that is interactive, engaging, and gives back to the community, FullTilt Team Development's bike building program could be just the perfect fit. We do this program very differently than our competitors. We have participants engaged in a series of different challenges and then putting together a bicycle for kids in need.
I like to think that as individuals, we also have these values that we use to guide our decision making, right? In the most detailed, elaborate, creative way possible. We will then have a fashion show along the center of the floor here, where each team member who has been dressed up will be described by somebody else on their team telling us what their outfit is. Vulnerable in those cases is very important. And so when it comes to talking about deep things like setting our personal values and discussing those sort of things, having those deeper questions where we get to know each other on a level that's outside of work is what really builds teams to me, right? Getting to actually know people means being able and comfortable opening up with each other and getting close on a level that you don't usually do at work, which is hopefully something we're going to get to do a little bit of today. You feel like we did? A little bit? Open the door for that maybe? Good, good, all right. We're going to get some people to help us take these bikes out to Miss Kim where she's got her vehicle, but I also want you to give 5 people who are not on your team a high five and tell them they did a great job.
Great job. Great job.